Discover the joys of this mouth-watering recipe for homemade donuts. Start by mixing all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. In another bowl, beat together eggs, milk, and melted butter until smooth, then combine with the dry ingredients gently. Once the dough is ready, knead it lightly on a floured surface and roll it out. Cut your donuts and heat vegetable oil in a pan. Fry them until golden brown on each side, then place them on paper towels to drain. Finally, dust your donuts with powdered sugar or drizzle them with chocolate ganache for that extra touch. Enjoy the deliciousness. Check the description for full details.